All right. It's around 12:30, 1 o'clock. I just shoveled about 3 more inches of snow. And you can see how deep it's getting. Look at that big old pile. Had to put some in front of the garage. That's pretty deep. That's probably 2 foot now. But I just cleared off a little path right here in front of our neighbor's house and us on the road. The road is slick. Don't get me wrong. I wouldn't be on it if I didn't have to be on it. But I can get traction with my boot on it. But the driveway, see how deep the snow is to the mailbox. Let's get it. There you go. But yeah, that's how deep it is. Pretty crazy. Most snow I've seen probably in forever at one time. And I know we've had some pretty big snows, but Lord, I think this is enough. It's supposed to get down to the single digits tonight. Everybody run your water. Hopefully you've got your pipes wrapped up. Emergency heaters in place just in case the power goes out. But anyway, this is about the 5th or 6th, 7th time of 8 times, 10 times, I don't know, of shoveling the snow off the driveway.